everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today I am just going to show you a really teeny tiny haul from Ulta right here. And I went there for two particular items. So if you want to see what is in this bag, then you know what to do. Just stay right there and I will be right back. I went there for two particular items, but one of them was sold out. Actually, they didn't sell the one I was looking for there. That's what it was. And I could have bought them individually, but even one of those was sold out too. So the first thing I'm going to show you is from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. It's the Norvina palette, and I know that one of my viewers during a live streaming asked me if I was going to get this palette, and I said no, because I thought it was really pastel-y, like where it wouldn't be visible on my darker skin. But then I started seeing all kinds of pictures of eye looks on Instagram, and I thought, ooh, I like that, and I like purple, so that's definitely what this is going to be. So let me show you what it looks like. Here are the colors back here. Okay, so let's open this up, and I haven't opened it up. Look at this, hasn't even been bent open yet. See, you can tell. Okay, let me see. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope it's in good condition. Oh, it's a little dusty. Ooh, pretty. Yes, I'm so glad that I opted to get this because look at those colors. They are so pretty. And I'm hearing a lot of good things about this palette. Oh my goodness. Right away, a color that I definitely want to use is Celestial and Love and Soul, and one of these gold colors. Oh, so pretty. Rose gold and summer are so pretty. And then there's something called Dazzling. Very nice. So I'm not going to swatch these because I'm getting ready to go and be live with you guys here in a minute. Today is Wednesday, so it's Wednesday live streaming day, so I'm going to go and do that. I just put my makeup on. And the eyeshadow palette that I used for this makeup look is this one right here by BH Cosmetics. It's I think it's Bubby Beauty, or yeah, Bubby Beauty. So this is the one that I'm using right now. I'm using in my crease, I'm using Optimistic in my crease line. And then I went ahead and used Able right here as the shimmer color, and then I used Inspired on the outer corners just to deepen it up a little bit. So yeah, that's what I have on today. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the second thing that I got. The thing I went for was this palette right here. I haven't opened it up, but this is it. I know that I'm late getting on the bandwagon. This has been out for like a year, maybe 2 years. I think it's more like a year. The Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, her first palette. I bought it for Finesse last month, and they only had one left. So I bought it for her, and I thought I'll wait till I get paid and I'll buy it for me next. So I finally got it. Yay! I know all of y'all have already seen all the videos on it and everything, and I'm just now getting it for myself, but I'm so excited about it. Woohoo! Look at all the colors, and the names are on the back, unfortunately. I usually like them in the front, right on the palette, especially if you're going to be using it for a tutorial. That way it's easy to just look at the bottom and just tell your viewers what you're using. But these are the colors right here. Oh my word, let me take the plastic off. Right here. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty. I can't wait to use them. Oh my. And up here it says, this palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. XO Jaclyn. So yeah, she just made an awesome palette here. I finally have it. I've been wanting it for a year. I finally have it. Yay! So I am going to be creating some looks with this palette next week and the Norvina palette next week. And what I went to Ulta for was for this palette and her new Vault collection. But they only had the individual palettes. There's 4 palettes, and they only had them individually for $15 each, and one of them wasn't even there anymore. It was sold out. But I came home and I went on Morphe.com to look for it, because I went, I think, on the 15th. It came out on the 14th. I went on the 15th to Ulta, and Ulta's not even selling the whole collection in a bundle, in the box, in the Vault collection. They're just selling them individually. So I went on Morphe.com when I got home, and they're sold out. On the 15th, they were sold out. So I inserted my email there, and so they're going to let me know when they get them back in stock. So I'm going to jump on it, and I am going to get them, because I think it's $49 if you buy the whole box together. If you buy all 4 palettes individually, they're $15 each. That's $60. So that's quite a savings. That's like an $11 savings if you buy it in the whole collection. So that's what I went there for, was for this and for the Vault collection. But since I didn't end up getting the Vault collection, I went ahead and got the other thing that I had been wanting, which was the Norvina palette. So yay! So I'm going to be creating a look with one of these palettes on Monday and one on Friday. So yay, be looking forward to that. So that's pretty much all I got. I just got these 2 things from Ulta. My husband and my daughter and granddaughter went with me, and so we had gone to dinner, and I thought, oh, we're in the same parking lot, let's go to Ulta, I want to get some stuff. So yeah. So even though I hadn't opened this up, it was still in the box and everything. I just kind of redecorated my room a little bit, and I'm putting my most loved palettes right there, and I know I'm going to be loving her palette a lot, so I put it there along with the Carly Bible palette and some Morphe palettes up there. And you'll notice my room is a little different. I'm sitting in front of the window now. I used to sit right there. That's where my vanity was. And you used to see this window in the backdrop along with that window. But I moved everything around to try to see if this is better lighting. So let me know. Do you like this setup better or my old setup? Let me know, because I can always move it back. Or I can always put my vanity here and do something different with this wall. This wasn't my first choice for the wall, but the wall looked so bare on the last video that I made. I thought, you know what, I've had these pictures on the floor, just up against the wall, waiting to figure out what to do with them and where I want to hang them. But for now, I'll put them here, because what I really want is a big, huge mirror like I used to have in Castroville. If you go back to my old Castroville videos, you'll see a big mirror that was right there. Well, that was supposed to be in my living room in Castroville, but we had cinder block walls there, so it was really hard to drill into it. So instead of doing it there, we did it in my beauty room. But now that we have regular drywall walls, that mirror that was in Castroville is in my living room downstairs. So I want to get another big, huge mirror for right there, and these will go somewhere else. But anyway, so I'm sure you noticed a difference in the room, and yeah, I know you see that right there. That's my mannequin Spring. Let me see if I can turn the camera a little bit. And she's wearing my crocheted outfits. So she was my mannequin for when I was doing my crochet channel. And anything that I would make, I would try it on her, take a picture and use it for the thumbnail and stuff like that. So don't get freaked out by her. I'll move her this way so you don't have to look at her. Alrighty guys, so that's it. I just wanted to show you this short haul and kind of give you a preview of what we're going to be doing next week. So Monday and Friday we'll be doing a look with each of those 2 palettes. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye. Besitos.